command the pain to come out of your body. I command the pain in your feet to come out. Papa, this man had a pain in his right arm for 2 months, 3 months. No more pain after the Spirit of God touched him. Give me a sir. What was the pain before? Here. You couldn't do that before. Now you can lift. Let me see. And you're healing with providence in Jesus' name.
I have been for 3 years and I'm completely healed.
Put your hands together for Jesus. Come on, somebody. I know God has done something for many of you. In these last 3 days. Many. But what I want you to do, as you leave this place today, understand that Jesus Christ is the one that gets all the glory. Your lives will never be the same after this weekend. Your life will never be the same after these 3 days. Every one of you are going to make it in Jesus' name.